Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. This is the 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE that we've been working on. So what I'd like to show you, so this system has the Meridian audio upgrade in it. And what we've installed onto the back of the front and rear seats is these Rosen 8-inch screens. So they've got full flexibility to be able to twist a little bit for user comfort. And then it's an 8-inch screen. You've got the at the top here you've got a disc for your DVDs, and you can also listen to the audio from both screens throughout the whole car system. And also you have these little headphones here, which are really compact, nice and easy to use. And these are an infrared set of headphones which then link to each individual screen. So you've got one set for the right hand side and one set for the left hand side. So these are go-to in terms of rear screen entertainment. Main reason is because they are completely crash tested. One of the main ones on the market that that are crash tested, and there's not many out there that are, and we feel that's a very important feature for us when we're installing. So the system basically comes with a HDMI input and a USB input, as well as the fact that you can add in because on the control box you've got a separate HDMI input, so you can add in things like a PlayStation or something like that onto these screens. So underneath here, this is the console that is from factory. So as you can see down here, you've got the Range Rover cigarette plug, and what we've added in down here is the USB and HDMI input. That's all flushed into the Range Rover original manufacturer position. So really OEM. The stitching is identical, as you can see, so really OEM finish in terms of the stitching that you get. So for more details on how we can upgrade your Range Rover, or any car for that matter, please do feel free to give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. We look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.